Hey everyone, we're just reviewing a travel gadget today. A luggage scale. So why would you want to buy one of these? So we always take this with us because not all accommodation that you will stay at will have any way of weighing your luggage before you leave. And it's always best to be prepared and not get any nasty surprises at the airport when you get there. You do not want to know the prices of some of the excess luggage. So this one came from Coles supermarkets in their Best Buy range. I think it was about $10 that we paid for this. So apparently it will weigh up to 50 kilos. So this is what they look like, and then you've got the strap which will go on there. So how does it work? So I've just got a dry bag here, and we're just going to chuck a couple of 1 kilo hand weights in there. So best way to weigh these things, so what you'll probably need to do is attach the strap with no pressure on it. Can be a little bit difficult to get them on. There we go. So with no pressure on it, switch it on, and you want to make sure that comes up as 0. So now that we've got that on, what we do is just lift, and we've got the little level there, so we want to get that little level right in the middle if we can. So this is telling us that it is 2.31 kilos. Right, so how accurate are these luggage scales? So we've just got a little kitchen scale here. We're just going to test, see how unlikely that 2 scales are going to be completely inaccurate. So, and that's telling us it's 2.23 kilos. So yeah, roughly about the same. So as I mentioned, these are good so that you can avoid any nasty oversized luggage fees. So you can weigh all your bags at your hotel once you're packed up ready to go, or your other accommodation. Move things around in the bags if you need to. Yeah, definitely save on those fees if you can avoid it. So where can you get one of these things? As mentioned, this one came from Coles. So in Australia you'll probably find these in most department stores and most baggage stores. So I've seen them in Kmart, Big W, Strand Bags, other parts of the world. So I imagine you'd probably find similar. You'd find them in most sort of department type stores. And of course you've also got online, so eBay and Amazon would be the easy ones to come to. Probably shouldn't be paying any more than about $20 for one of these. So there you go. I definitely recommend getting one. We take it on every, obviously, plane trip. So yeah, take the time, get yourself one of these. They're very light, so they're not going to take up much weight in your baggage and potentially save you a fortune. So hopefully that helps you. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.